Hey everyone, Tyler Bristow here with CenterlineMapping.com. In this video, we are going to show how you can pair the vLoc Pro 2 with your PointMan application along with the Juniper Geode, and you can map out underground electrical, water, storm, sewer, whichever utility system you're locating, and you get that signal on, you can use PointMan to collect the data. So what we need to do is we need to pair our smartphone with the actual vLoc Pro 2. And once you do that, you'll do that kind of like the way you Bluetooth to a speaker. And once you do that, you'll tell PointMan to use the vLoc Pro 2 as your pipe and cable locator, as well as the Juniper Geode or any external GPS that you want to use. And then you'll go out, and as you're locating, and you've got information, you can transfer that into the individual points and lines within PointMan. So let's say you're tracing out a gas line and you get a depth of 2 feet. You can actually stop at that point, at that position, and you can collect that information, and your gas line will then have a point along the gas line that shows, hey, it's 2 feet here. And then you might walk another 10, 20, 30 feet and get a new depth. And so that way you can save that information in your GIS, and you can actually show clients within your PDF maps, your GIS data, all the information that comes off of the vLoc Pro 2. You can have that in your PDF maps, your CAD files, your augmented reality solution, in your PointMan app. So any future need, you've got that information right there in your PointMan app. So let's go ahead and turn this camera around. I'm going to show you how to pair your phone. I've got a Samsung Galaxy S9. I'm going to show you how to Bluetooth that to the vLoc Pro 2. Okay, so I've got the vLoc Pro 2. What we're going to do is we're going to turn it on. So I'm just going to push and hold the power button. So what we need to do is we need to go into the settings. So I'm going to push and hold the I button. I'm going to use the plus button to go down into the settings for Bluetooth pairing. So now I'm going to click this button right here. It's going to search. I'm going to make sure my Bluetooth is turned on my phone at the same time I just pushed the button. Okay, so as you can see, it has found my Galaxy S9, and I'm going to tap OK. Okay, so the vLoc Pro 2 is available devices. I'm going to tap the vLoc Pro 2 on my phone, and it's asking me if I want to pair. I'm going to tap OK. And as you can see, I am now paired with the vLoc Pro 2 device. So I'm going to tap Done. Now what I want to do is show you how to tell PointMan to use this as your pipe and cable locator. So I'm going to open up PointMan. And what you need to do is just tap the menu icon in the top left and go to Settings. And under here, under Devices, for Locator, I'm going to choose Vivax, and I'm going to choose the vLoc Pro. Okay, I've also got my Juniper Geode set up. And so next thing that we want to do is go out into the field and locate a utility and then map it out. So there's some adjustments we can make down here for antenna height. You might want to put the height of your geode. I don't know where you plan on putting your geode. I'm going to be wearing a backpack. So the geode is going to be about 6 feet. And under EPSG, I can set that coordinate system for correction. I'm going to choose none. And I think we're good to go. We're going to go out into the field and locate and map some utility information. So stay with us. Hey everyone, so we are out here in the field. I've got the Juniper Geode, I've got the vLoc Pro 2, and I've got PointMan. I'm going to show how we can locate and map this electrical line out using all three of these units together, and we'll get going. So I'm going to turn this camera around. We've got an electrical cable that runs underground off this power pole right here. So it's running down this pole, it's running underground. We've already got it painted and marked out. We've got flags. And I'm just going to show how you can capture this data and map it out using PointMan and a Geode for high accuracy. and it's going to store all this information off the subsite into the points along this electrical cable. So I've already got everything Bluetooth and paired. I'm going to show you the settings. Tap the menu icon in PointMan, tap settings, and next to GPS I've got my Geode selected, the Geode right there. I've got my Vivax locator along with the vLoc Pro. I've got my antenna height set, and we're ready to go. So I tap close, and when I'm ready I'll tap new electrical cable. I'm mapping out an electrical cable. I'm going to tap OK. Now I'm going to tap GPS. So as you can see, it tells us in the top right of PointMan, it tells me my horizontal accuracy is about 0.621 feet, and it's telling me my vLoc Pro is on. That means it's ready to send data from the vLoc Pro into PointMan. When I want to collect the first position, I'm going to tap this information button, and it's going to ask me to log it, and I'm going to tap the plus button. PointMan just added that position to the map. Okay, so I'm ready to collect the next position of the electrical cable. I'm going to walk up here to this flag. As you can see, PointMan is drawing this electrical cable out. So here's the next flag. I'm going to put this vLoc down right here at the flag, and once again I'm going to tap the information button, and it's going to ask me to press the plus button to log it. PointMan adds that point to the map, and it transfers the depth, current, and frequency to my data. So when I export this out, I'm going to have a depth, current, and frequency value for that particular point along this electrical cable. So here's the next flag. I'm going to put the vLoc down. I'm going to push the information button, and then I'm going to push the plus button. And PointMan added that point to the map. So a couple more flags. As you can see, it's drawing this electrical cable out. My horizontal accuracy is about 1/2 foot. Really good. I'm going to go up here, next flag, put the vLoc down, push the information button, push it, don't hold it, and then push the plus button. And PointMan added it to the map. So we are basically building out a GIS data set for this client. They're going to love it. They're going to love the accuracy and all the depth information that we can capture for it. Next flag, put this vLoc down, push the information button, and then push the plus button. And PointMan adds that button. I'm going to do a couple more just to show how this works. Okay, another flag. We're just going to go over here. This electrical line runs across this road. Okay. Very impressive. All right, as you can see, this electrical line runs over here under these mailboxes. Right under that mailbox, that's okay. Let's tap that information button and then tap log, tap the plus button. All right, this line is probably running over there to one of those boxes. I'm going to tap that button right there. Okay. It's going through some trees. I'm just going to tap this. Okay, so I'm ready to finish this line out. I'm going to tap finish. And that's going to do it for that line. Okay, so that was a quick video that shows how you can use an external Juniper Geode with the PointMan Plus application and your vLoc Pro2. It's very simple. Might take a couple minutes just to get used to it and get comfortable, but as you can see, it transfers data right across. If you know how to locate a utility, I urge people to learn how to map it using PointMan. So that's going to cover this video. We're going to have additional videos that shows how to do stuff with the data and get it out of PointMan and into CAD, GIS, and augmented reality software. So thanks for watching this video, and let us know if you have any questions.